Papalitan na nga ba ng AI ang virtual assistants? Kung VA ka na ang daming tasks, consider ChatGPT as your AI buddy na pwedeng tumulong sa'yo in terms of emails, reports, social media posts. At kung hindi ka pa marunong gumamit ng ChatGPT, don't you worry, you are in the right place. Ito yung first video kung saan tuturuan ko muna kayo kung paano i-set up yung ChatGPT nyo, and then later on, magbibigay pa ako ng maraming examples sa kung paano nyo siya magagamit sa inyong freelancing business. So, first, go to chat.openai.com. Mag-sign up na lang kayo gamit yung Gmail ninyo. After that, explore the dashboard. Dito, makakapag-type ka ng instructions na ang tawag is prompt sa AI. Think of it like your virtual teammate. No, para mas maganda, customize. Go to settings, personalization. Dito pwede mong i-adjust yung tone, preferred writing style, at kahit pa reminders. Para mas match sa workflow mo, just to get started, I want you to type your first task. Example, act as my VA. Draft a polite email to a client asking for project updates. Click send and boom! May ready to send the draft ka na. Later on, ipapakita ko pa sa inyo kung paano pang i-automate yung automated response. But I want you to first practice saving templates for recurring tasks. For example, emails, reports, checklists, lahat pwede. Less work, more time sa ibang VA tasks. Now, guys, keep in mind that you can combine ChatGPT with Google Sheets, Trello, Asana, or Canva. Example, if halimbawa mag-generate kayo ng leads list sa ChatGPT, tapos ipipaste nyo siya sa Sheets, time saved. So team, hindi natin siya kalaban. Matagal na may AI pero patuloy pa rin nag-grow ang VA industry. However, ang challenge nga lang is, ang talino ng AI ay nakadepende sa gumagamit. So kung ready ka na i-level up ang iyong workflow, open ChatGPT now and try your first task. Once na matry mo to, promise, hindi ka na mag-isang gagawin yung mga tasks mo manually. Kung gusto nyo ng medyo mas unique pa na paggamit ng ChatGPT, i-comment nyo na lang dyan, ChatGPT for virtual assistants. And that's it for this vlog. I will see you on the next one. Bye!